Hello.
Hello.
You came at a good time.
What you doing?
I'm making a garden.
Sand garden.
You know, like in Japan.
Sand garden.
You can come in.
What does a sand garden look like?
Isn't that neat?
What are you making?
Have you been to Japan?
No.
Oh. Well, I'm making my own version of a sand garden.
Sand? What are you making?
This is a sculpture that's a copy of one that's up at Bush School. And they made this in 1979, and then I have a 3D printer. And since I was the artist, I went ahead and copied it.
What's that?
Well, I call it a wavy square. In the old days, engineers used T-squares. And I started playing with those drawing instruments. I call them wave squares. And this one's called a wavy square.
What is it going to look at the end?
I said that they wanted something for the kids to play with at the school.
You make tiny little
And so they thought, well, Bill Ritchie, that's me. He makes interesting things. So they asked me for the design, and then the high school students made it real. The neat thing is, with this paintbrush, I can uncover the story. See? And you see those numbers right there? You could actually put those numbers in your phone on Google Earth, and it would take you to the satellite view, and you can see the same artwork from the satellite today.
Oh.
Isn't that cool?
What's that for?
That's a rake.
Oh,
And that, yeah,
why is it so tiny?
the rake can make designs.
all these tiny little printing presses. They're so cool.
This is so much fun. I'm so glad you came in to see this. Just at this moment, I've been working on this for about 2 weeks.
Really?
And today was the big day. And you just happened to come in. I'm so lucky. I hardly ever have company, you know. You made it all the more fun today.
So,
I wonder what happens if you just shake it. Oh, look.
1991.
That's kind of neat.
41?
What's that for?
Well, you know, it's my art. It's my art. And I started making little tiny things with the 3D printer and things like that because I don't want to make great big art anymore. I want to make art that kids can make
And why? And why is that?
because I'm a teacher.